Let's go to the big breaking update. I repeat, big breaking update coming in right now, viewers. Helicopter crashes at Porbandar Coast Guard Airport, all taken to civil hospital. 3 people have lost their lives, unfortunately, viewers. And these are the pictures that we're getting for you. Pictures coming in right now, viewers, and we'll try to get you more updates on this. But this is what we're learning of. This happened in the Gujarat's Porbandar Airport. There has been a huge incident where we are learning that 3 people have lost their life after a helicopter has crashed. These are initial details coming in, viewers. These are just the initial details coming in. We'll try to get you more updates. But those are the pictures that we have got for you. It looks like that there have been some fatalities. 3 people have lost their lives in this incident. And those are the pictures we'll be also talking a little bit more about and what really happened. Now, the cause of this crash is not known yet. What caused that crash? But it did happen in the Porbandar Coast Guard Airport. What are the details? What caused the crash? We'll try to get more details on that. Let's go to Gesu, who's joining us live. Gesu, take our viewers to latest coming in right now because what we see is that it's a huge incident in terms of the fatalities. 3 people already have lost their lives in this crash.
Right, Shivangi. In fact, these are the visuals from the hospital where the injured have been rerouted and taken immediately after the crash. Now, talking of the crash, an Indian Coast Guard ALH Dhruv crashed today in Porbandar in Gujarat, and 3 people, like you rightly pointed out, have already lost their lives. Many are injured and have been taken to the hospital. These are the visuals on your screens. More details are awaited, is what the Indian Coast Guard officials have said in an official statement. In fact, the cause of the crash is also yet to be determined, and we will get onto that as and when we have information over that. But as of now, an Indian Coast Guard ALH Dhruv crashed just moments ago in Porbandar in Gujarat. 3 people have been killed and the injured are being escorted to the hospital. The authorities, rescue authorities, fire authorities scrambled to the spot of the accident, the spot of the crash in Porbandar in Gujarat. And for now, the Indian Coast Guard officials in an official statement have said that they do not know the cause of the crash. Viewers, these are the crash videos that show the crash of the Indian Coast Guard's ALH Dhruv. Just moments ago, ALH Dhruv crashed in Porbandar in Gujarat, claiming the lives of at least 3 people and injuring many others. Plumes of smoke can be seen rising from the ground where the tragic crash happened. The Indian Coast Guard, as of now, has no information and are yet to determine the reason, the cause behind the tragic crash that claimed the lives of 3 people. The injured have been escorted to the hospital, and the Indian Coast Guard, in an official statement, has said that they're looking into the matter to see what caused the crash. In fact, the ALH Dhruv, the aircraft in question, was on a routine sortie, a training sortie. Now, sorties are short flying missions which are undertaken by aircraft.
All right, I've also been joined by a guest right now. We've been joined by an aviation expert, Vipul Saxena. Thank you for joining us here on Republic TV. Those are the initial details we're getting for our viewers, where there has been a helicopter crash in Porbandar. Still not sure about what caused it. That's what the initial information is. If you could perhaps give your insight on what you really think could have happened, because usually we see that in these cases, technical failure is usually attributed.
This helicopter, as per my information, was ALH, which is a twin-engine aircraft. So, even if there was a single engine failure, it is not difficult to land with single engine. So, it was carrying only 3 passengers, which is well within the load capacity of this helicopter. So, second reason also is ruled out as far as the overloading is concerned. So I think that there has to be something beyond this, maybe something wrong with the controls failure or some issue like that must have happened, because the weather also is very clear in Porbandar these days. So I don't think there could be anything other than some control failure or something like that must have happened.
Right, thank you for joining us there. We are getting these pictures for our viewers. Vipul Saxena, aviation expert, was on the phone line. Now see, more details are awaited in this case. Viewers of the Indian Coast Guard are saying that more details are awaited. This is the Indian Coast Guard ALH Dhruv crashed in Porbandar, Gujarat during a routine training sortie. We will be getting you more updates. 3 people have lost their lives. Stay tuned as we are live in breaking.